2023 Hyundai Palisade, Luxe on a budget. The Hyundai Palisade calligraphy proves that luxury doesn't have to come with a hefty price tag. This top-trim SUV offers upscale features, premium aesthetics, and advanced technology at a fraction of the cost compared to luxury brands. In the 2023 model, Hyundai updated the Palisade with a fresh exterior design and added more standard features. The larger cascading grille, extending from the headlights to the bumper, and chrome accents on the calligraphy model make for a bold and appealing design. The only drawback is that the updated face adds a bit more length to the front overhang, making the SUV look even larger. Inside, the Palisade continues to impress with its comfort. The Napa leather front seats are heated, ventilated, and power adjustable with memory function. They even come with a smart posture adjustment feature that straightens up the driver's back. The second row captain's chairs and third row bench are also heated, and the second row offers ample space. With improved suspension damping for 2023, the Palisade calligraphy provides an even more plush ride in terms of technology and connectivity. All versions of the Palisade come with a 12.3-inch touchscreen and a corresponding digital instrument cluster. The new center touchscreen is a significant upgrade over previous models, offering better graphics and a more concise home screen. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard, but they require wired connections. The vehicle also features 7 USB ports throughout the cabin and offers the Blue Link smartphone app for remote start through Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. Under the hood, the Palisade's 3.8-liter V6 engine and 8-speed automatic transmission offer adequate power delivery. The SUV has decent acceleration from a standstill and provides plenty of torque for overtaking at highway speeds. However, its heavy body roll and overboosted steering make it less agile in corners. Safety is a priority with the Palisade, as it comes with standard features like automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning with lane keep assist, and adaptive cruise control with highway driving assist HDA. The calligraphy model even includes highway driving assist too, which offers automatic lane change assist and advanced safety sensors usually found in high-end vehicles. Overall, the 2023 Hyundai Palisade calligraphy impresses with its luxurious features, comfortable interior, and advanced safety technology, making it an excellent choice for those seeking a luxury SUV without breaking the bank.